Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next upload. So today's video will be doing a DIY butterfly locks wig, and the hair we're using for this butterfly locks is from Niseyo. Now this is the spelling on the screen, you guys, just in case I did not pronounce it very well. And each pack has 12 strands of hair on it, so we're going to be using it to make this wig. I'm going to show you guys how I made this wig from start to finish, so definitely sit tight, relax and enjoy this video.
Let's go crazy, my baby, dancing with the light.
So I'm going to start with the installation of these butterfly locks now. Now I wanted to use a crochet hook to do the crocheting at the back of the wig, but it did not work out because why, the hair is very thick and the net hole is not big. So I made an attempt to use the crochet hook and that will literally tear the net, so this is not advisable when you want to make your wig. Instead, I used the needle and thread to just sew in all the locks to the wig cap. That is what I did for the back section of this wig. I used the needle and the thread to sew in the butterfly locks to the wig cap.
Take you
For the front part of this wig, I'm going to be needing a closure, so I'm just going to sew in a closure to the front part of this wig before installing the locks on it.
Crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Alright.
After I finish sewing the closure to the wig cap, I'm going to cut out the wig cap under the closure.
Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Oh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Dancing with the lights. Our hearts beating like a drum. Tonight. Tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Alright. Let me take you for a ride. Alright. Let's go crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun.
Before installing the butterfly locks to this closure, I'm going to pluck the closure a little before I install it. That was what actually made the lines really straight and neat.
Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Alright.
So right now I'm going to show you guys how I did the front part of this wig. I'm actually going to crochet the butterfly locks to the strands. I'm actually going to crochet the butterfly locks to this front part of the wig. I do not need a needle and thread in this part. I just need my crochet hook to just crochet the head to it, and I'm going to show you guys what I did right here.
Crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride. All right.
After I finished making the front part of the clothes, I actually went in to add more butterfly locks to the bag so it can cover up very well and not be too scanty. And in total I used 6.5 pack for this wig. So right now I'm just going to install this wig to my head, and I used my edge control to lay down my edges, and that is all I have to do for this wig. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next upload, and also give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it helpful. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.
Let's go crazy, my baby.